Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Rick Tarantino. I'm going to make today a great dish, pan-fried mozzarella sticks. We're going to shallow fry them in a pan. We're going to dip them in a little Italian breadcrumbs. They're going to be just magnifico. So join me right now in the kitchen. We're going to get ready to make these dishes. Let's start by mixing up our eggs. This is going to help the flour and the breadcrumb bond to the cheese stick. While we're doing this, we're heating on oil on the stove to about 350, 360 degrees. We're going to take the mozzarella stick. First, we're going to dip it into the egg wash. Then we're going to dip it into the flour. Then back into the egg wash. And then into our breadcrumb. I like to do one at a time so I can coat them evenly. I take my time. You want to make sure it's coated all around like that. There's no white showing. Because when we fry it, oh, see I got a little white right there. When we fry it, we don't want that cheese to come in contact with the hot oil. It'll just melt out. We got our oil heated to 350. We're going to drop in our mozzarella sticks. And it's just going to take a few minutes to cook. We're going to stir them up a bit. You'll notice them float right up to the top. See them getting golden brown? Oh, you can hear them cooking up. They sound so crispy. You don't want to overcook them and melt that cheese out. That's perfect right there. Look at those. All right, welcome back to my kitchen. I've got our beautiful pan-fried mozzarella sticks right here. We'll plate them up on this fancy little plate with some fresh basil from our garden. I'll tell you what, you cannot wait to taste these. Little beautiful marinara. I like to make this fresh on Sundays, especially during the summertime. Maybe just a sprinkle of cheese and a little parsley. And that's how you make pan-fried mozzarella sticks. I'm Chef Rick Tarantino. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Remember what I always say, love what you cook and eat what you love. That's delicious.